Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to replace your license plate lights. Either they've been, the wiring, they've been ripped out, like in this vehicle right here. That's the wiring going on the other side. They've been ripped out. We got a new set here from the dealer. Sorry, I'm on a creeper here. But here's the new set. There, y'all can see them there. We're gonna get underneath this vehicle. Alright, now we slid underneath this vehicle, and we're gonna remove the whole old harness here going across into the bumper assembly. Like I said, there's no even wiring coming out that side. It's been ripped out. And the wiring going here, going to a splitter, and then coming up there to your junction box. So first thing, let's undo, it's this one right here, this brown one. Let's undo it right here at the junction box. Alright, now we got it removed. Now, like I said, since there's no lights in the actual bumper assembly, because, fuck, yeah, we can get it removed here. Let me grab a little pair of pliers and pinch these tabs all going along the bumper, and we'll get them removed. Alright guys, so there's the new harness. There's the old one underneath here hanging out. We're going to get underneath here, and we're going to get these removed. The good news is the new harness comes with new ones, so it doesn't matter if we tear up the old ones. Good night. Typical Chevy, all rusted the heck out. 1 second, let's get these clips out. Alright guys, we got all these clips undone. Yeah, they can, these little, let me show you here. These little tabs on these clips can be quite stubborn. So, pull this out. There's what's left of the old one. I said we got a new one here. We're gonna get her back underneath the truck and we'll get her put in. Actually, one thing I like to do, or what you can do to cheat, is you pop the lights out of the lenses and then fish them through that way. Let me show you what I mean here. You just take the harness and pop the lights out of the sockets, put the sockets in the bumper, and put the sockets in the bumper, and then you go underneath and reconnect the harness. Alright, let's get underneath this truck. Alright guys, back underneath, we can go ahead and reconnect the pigtail. There we go. Then, up in there is the socket. Stick it to the bumper. See if I can see that here. And put it in there. And then just run along and reconnect all your clips. Actually, we're going to do the other side first. Alright, now we're going to reach over the other side here. And the socket's right there. There we go. Now we can reconnect all the clips into the bumper, and we'll be done. Right there. Put some double lube on that one. It's pretty rusty. Pretty rusty. There's one. And the other. 1 second, guys. I'll get this other one where it's rusted. There we go. Now, let's get out. We'll go start the truck. And we'll see if they're working. Alright, guys. There you go. And there's your bumper lights working. Hope y'all find this video useful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel already, please do so. Hit that subscribe button right down there in the corner. Y'all have a great day.